Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing the damaged point now. Grip the barrel steady with one hand and use small pliers to back out the broken tip. If it's inside, pull straight to avoid damaging threads. Once removed, inspect the barrel threads and tip seat for burrs or debris because a dirty seat causes wobble later. If you see rough metal, use the thread reamer or fine file briefly to clean it. This ensures the replacement will seat squarely and hold reliably. Now install the new tip. Thread it in by hand until snug so the threads engage cleanly because cross-threading strips the seat. Once hand-tight, give a controlled final turn with pliers, about 1/8 to 1/4 of a turn so it's secure but not stressed. Then check alignment, roll the dart on a flat table and look for wobble. If it leans, back it out slightly and reseat or use the reamer to correct the seat. Straight seating gives consistent grouping. Finish by throwing 3 short-range practice shots to verify stability and feel. You're checking that the dart lands true without deflecting. If it wobbles, don't over-torque. Back the tip out and retap the threads or swap the shaft. Wobble usually means a poor seat or damaged thread. Make sure to remove any burrs that might tear flights and tighten tips before each game. One key troubleshooting tip: if the tip won't seat, clean with a soft wire brush and re-ream the barrel hole gently.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.